Hi, ma'am. Mochi buns. Hi, ma'am. Mochi buns po. Hello, ma'am. May feeling na yan, mama. Hello, ma'am. Mochi buns. May feelings na yan, mama. Hi, ma'am. Mochi buns po. Hello, ma'am. Hi po, Mochi buns po. Yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa loob ng campus, okay? So, SJ Walk ang tawag dito. Ito po, Miguel Building, SJ Building. Hi, ma'am, Mochi buns. Ito papuntang Yutchenko naman po. Hi po, Mochi buns po. So, if you can come inside, go visit our booth. Hi po, Mochi buns po. If you cannot come inside, come outside, diba? Hi, sir, Mochi buns. Hi, ma'am, Mochi buns. And then we can meet just outside, diba? Hi, ma'am, Mochi buns. Come outside and then we can meet outside. Daming tao din yun. Daming tao. Next time, ganun na rin yung pila natin pag ganun. Malay mo, mamaya, di ba? Hi, ma'am, Mochi buns. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am, Mochi buns. Hi po, Mochi buns po. Hello, ma'am, Mochi buns. Hi, sir, Mochi buns. Yes, sir. Sir, sa taas, sir, I would recommend the red bean and peanut butter. Sa bilog, sir, I would recommend the peach, strawberry, and blueberry. Are you more of a fruity guy, sir, or maybe sweet person?
Itong peach na lang po.
Peach na lang. 120 lang, sir. Would you like to add anything else, sir? Yeah. If ever, sir, do you have 20 pesos, sir? Or,
Check ko lang.
yeah, baka lang meron, sir. Ha? Hi, sir. Mochi buns. Meron, sir? Okay. That's good. Wait lang, sir. I'll give you 400. Thank you, sir. Hello, sir. Hi, ma'am. Mochi buns. Hi, ma'am. Mochi buns po. Hi, ma'am. Mochi buns. Have you tried it before, ma'am? Have you seen it on TikTok, ma'am?
Peach mango, blueberry. Yes po. Pwede ito mo or ito po. One top for 150.
This is also 150, yeah. Or if you want a bigger size, pero 120 lang, ma'am. But you only get one flavor. Yeah. Sige na, ma'am.
Ito po, ano po
If you like sugar-free, definitely get this.
It's either sa strawberry or chocolate. Sige, strawberry. Okay. Here, ma'am.
Hi, sir. Mochi buns. Would you like to add anything else, ma'am? Okay. Sa TikTok mo nakikita, ma'am. Do you wanna say hi? Hello. O single daw si ma'am. Baka may gusto mag-Reese. Joke lang. Joke lang, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Hi, sir. Mochi buns.